The final update on DJI Pocket 3 rumors, and this is not really a rumor anymore because there is an official announcement which is going to happen on 25th of December here. So this is going to be the Wednesday launch. So I'm really excited because I am planning to get one. So now let's see the full detail of the brand new DJI OSMO Pocket 3, which will be out on 25th of October. So this is the standalone shot of Pocket 3, and this is super duper tiny with a massive 2-inch display. So look at the length, it is a lot shorter, so it's even more pocketable than before. The funny thing that one Twitter account noticed is that, yeah, in here in the corner, it's already chipped. Very interesting. So this is like a promo shot. This is with the additional battery handle. So it will be a lot longer if you prefer that way, if you want to use it for longer period of time. The battery handle in detail. This is the grip. It's very nice finish. And the usual with pocket camera, there's going to be a couple of filters that you can actually put it on the magnetic surface of the camera lens. So this one in particular is black mist filter. And this is like the full detail shot of this mist filter. So I wonder what black mist filter does, because I have experience on snow mist filter from Freewell, which made me look, very misty, mysterious, fairy-like as well, very smooth skin tone. But this is black mist filter. So in the close-up shot, you can actually see the black mist here and there in the lens. So I wonder if it's gonna make it sort of more mysterious and cinematic. Let's see. And of course, with filters, there's going to be ND filter, and it will come in the set of 3 in a case, ND 16, 64, 256. And this is another promo photo with the holder. So this is for like the short form without the additional, extra battery and so on. This holder, I can see it's going to be very convenient because there is a microphone slot. So this is a promo photo of holder, just the holder, so microphone slot. And the side profile, this one is you can use like the GoPro mount. Front photo where you get the access of joystick and the button. And probably out of all the additional lens or filter, the most important is the wide angle lens. So wide angle lens, it's the thicker lens. You can see it's going to be 0.75 times. So it will be a lot wider than what's going to be on top of Pocket 3. I didn't have a problem using Pocket 2 camera. In fact, I didn't actually end up using wide angle lens very often because the magnet wasn't terribly strong. But with this picture, I think the magnet, the area is a lot bigger. So maybe it will work much better and it will stay on the camera without a problem. With the carrying case, because all this additional handle is going to be in the side pocket, so it's actually the lengthwise, it's not very long. It's only for the stand-alone pocket camera. And you also can see a little bit of microphone here as well. More picture of the carrying bag. Just nice finish. Very tiny. And the most interesting feature of Pocket 3 camera is going to be this 2-inch display that can actually turn horizontal. I'm going to show you guys the video in a bit of the actual Pocket 3 camera. So the manual explains it can turn into horizontal, vertical, vertical to horizontal. More manual showing the case, the hard shell case, where you can put in the microphone, the additional lens and so on in this magnetic setup. Very usual, similar to Pocket 2 before. I'm hoping this button where you can actually put the additional stick, it's going to be more smooth than Pocket 2 camera. This is from every single angle that you're going to see. Actually, there are even more photo of the actual thing. And back view and front view. And also another front view with this logo Pocket 3 at the side. Now the more exciting part, there are actually 3 videos already uploaded online. DJI Pocket 3, the Creator Combo Box unboxing. So let's just quickly see how it looks. I probably don't even need to explain because we've already seen the picture of Creator Combo set. So this is all intuitive. I'm gonna sort of fast forward it. And you can see that the length of Osmo Pocket, the standalone, it just fits the standalone. So it's rather short. And here there is a microphone, looks really fancy actually, a huge upgrade. It's transparent as well. And this is the second video. You can see all these additional accessories, the cable and this plastic lanyard and also the windshield inside as well. And he's unwrapping all these little, I think that's like do-it-all handle and additional battery, which is a lot longer. And this additional battery, I think it would solve the problem because Pocket 2 right now, I do find that the battery actually goes down a lot quicker than when I first used it, even though, you know, the total battery lifetime is not that long. So additional battery, I'm looking forward to it. And now Pocket 2 is switched on. You can see the display is so much bigger than the predecessor. This is the second video of him using. The display is vertical. However, the lens, I think, went into the horizontal mode, as far as I can see. And actually, it ended up taking the vertical video. So that's very interesting because I think the camera orientation didn't really change. But hopefully I can see that once the actual camera is out. Now the important thing about the price, because that's what we really want to know. And the prices of Pocket 3, just like the inflation nowadays, it has gone up big time. At $531, the standalone camera, so I guess this is like this part. And Pocket 3 combo, which is like the full set that you see in this picture. So you're gonna get the Pocket 3 camera, the extra battery, the lanyard. I think this is do-it-all handle. I'm not entirely sure what's the difference. And the tripod, which looks so much more sturdier than the predecessor, because predecessor, I actually broke it and tripod is not covered by DJI Care, so be mindful about that. But this new design looks so much better, and the wireless microphone looks a lot more fancy with all this transparent design. And this one, what is it? Is this SD card? Let me know if I'm wrong. And this one is the wide angle lens, which is included in the Creator Combo set, it seems. The fur windshield and cable, and also the hard case, which I actually prefer using compared to this kind of pocket. But this pocket looks very neat as well. So this Creator Combo set at $676. So Pocket 2 used to be at $349 and Creator Combo set at $499, $500. So I think Pocket 3 at this kind of price is around like $100, $130 more expensive than predecessor. But Pocket 2 had been out in the market for a couple of years, so now everything is expensive, right? But let's also compare against Osmo Action 4, because I think that would be like the direct sort of competitor in a way. Osmo Action 4 is at $399 and the Adventure Combo $499, $500. So Pocket camera, Pocket 3 is more expensive than what you see in the Action camera. But I'm actually more interested in Pocket 3 because I love using Pocket 2 for my outdoor video filming and everything. So I'm interested to actually upgrade it just to find out the exact features, how they work for myself. So do wait for my review on that. So do wait for my honest review because I'm going to pay for it myself. So this is more pictures on just standalone. So if you're not interested in recording your voice via wireless microphone, then you could consider getting these. But for pocket camera, I do find the microphone is one of the best feature of this camera. So when I get it, I'm going to go for Creator Combo set. So now this is like the product spec sheets. So Osmo Pocket 3, key thing to really note is that charging up time really fast, 60 minutes to 80%, 32 minutes to 100%, but this is for the DJI 65 watt PD charger. So I guess it will be similar as all the latest chargers for the latest phones out there. And control panel, panning, tilting, roll. Roll is exactly the same. Panning, tilting, not too different from the predecessor. And the most important is the sensor. Everyone had been waiting for 1-inch sensor. So I guess this is where the price difference come into place. So 1-inch sensor, that's a lot more exciting than other sort of smaller other tiny action cameras or vlog cameras out there. And touchscreen size is 2-inch. This is official, so 2-inch display is very exciting. In terms of the lens, it will be 20mm equivalent. The aperture is at f2.0. Pocket 2 was actually f1.8, so brighter lens. However, I guess f2.0 is not too bad at all. Weight-wise, it says 179 grams, which is more heavy compared to Pocket 2, which is officially at 117 grams. However, everything is below 200 grams, so it's not heavy. All of them are extremely light. And actually below, someone posted, actually some guy has a full review on the full review of DJI Pocket 3. So let's actually take a look at that. So this guy, Yotiao blog, let me like his video. So I'm just gonna sort of decrease the sound because it's not in English anyway. Also, this is a video that we've already seen on Twitter. So he's actually done the entire unboxing video about it. I'm not sure whether he's using the microphone here because it doesn't sound great, but oh well. Okay, maybe this guy is actually not using the microphone, but it looks really neat. It looks like the typical pocket camera, but with bigger display and bigger sensor. So I'm really excited about it. I do hope to get back to you once I buy it and they ship it, which is gonna take a while. But do wait for my review video and I'll be back soon. So see you!